How to verify Temu account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To verify your Temu account, all you need to do is launch a Temu application in your mobile device. If you don't have the application, you can check out the Temu website. Now in here, to verify your Temu account, tap on the U icon. Now over here, head over to the Settings button. Select on Account Security. In order to verify your Temu account, you will have to enter your phone number, your email address, and your billing address. Once you have entered your email address, a Verify link will be sent to your designated email address. You need to click on the link to verify your Temu email address. After the email has been verified, your account is basically verified itself. If you have entered your mobile phone number, an SMS will be sent to your designated phone number. Make sure to enter the OTP code that is sent to your SMS. After that, you'll be able to verify your Temu account as well. So those were some of the methods to verify your Temu account. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.